Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gowthami. In this video, I am going to share with you 50 daily use sentences that are used by beginners. If you are a beginner, I recommend you to watch the video till the end without skipping, because in this video we are going to practice shadowing method, in which I am going to say the sentence once and you are going to repeat the next time. First, let us see the sentences that are used in our morning routine. I am going to say the sentence once and you should repeat the next time. Good morning. Please repeat it. Wake up. It's time to start the day. You need to brush your teeth. What do you want to have for breakfast today? Go fast. You are getting late for work. I hope you are repeating after me. Now let us see another section. Coming to the sentences used at work and office. Good morning everyone. We need to catch up at 10 a.m. Did you check the mailbox? Let's take a short break. I'll send you the file within 10 minutes. I hope you are able to complete repeating the sentence within the given time. If you are not able to repeat it within the given time, please pause the video and repeat it. Can you send me the file as soon as possible? You have done a great job. Let's discuss this in the meeting today. The deadline is tomorrow. Can you help me with this task? Now let us see some sentences related to shopping. Excuse me, where is the grocery section? How much does this cost? Can I get a discount? I would like to return this item. Do you accept credit cards? Where is the alteration room? Can you help me find this in a different size? I need a shopping bag. This is too expensive. Where is the billing counter? Now let us see some sentences related to traveling and directions. Where is the nearest bus stop? Can you show me the way to the airport? Can I get a window seat, please? I need a taxi to the railway station. How long it take to reach the museum? Now let us see some sentences related to restaurant and ordering food. Excuse me, can I see the menu? What do you recommend? Can I have a cup of coffee? Could you bring the bill, please? Do you have vegetarian options? Now let us see some sentences that are used while talking on phone. Can I speak to Neela, please? Please hold on for a moment. Can you call me back later? Hello, how can I help you? Your voice is not clear. Now let us see some sentences related to small talk and social conversations. Hey, how's it going? It's nice to meet you. What do you do for a living? Where are you from? The weather is nice today. Have a great day ahead. Take care. See you soon. I like your outfit. It was great talking to you. Let's catch up again soon. With this, we have completed 50 basic sentences that are very useful for beginners.